Hello and welcome to the first of a series of lessons based on an old course published in a magazine called Sruth in the Western Isles. This course is going to be based on the lessons known as Bruidhneamaid Gàidhlig. Let us speak Gaelic. Scottish Gaelic belongs to the Celtic family of Indo-European languages. Within that family there are two branches: the Gaidhealach branch, which includes Irish, Scottish and Manx, and the Brittonic branch, which includes Welsh and Breton, and also Cornish, which has been revived. Scottish Gaelic gradually diverged from Irish and has been considered a separate language since the 17th century. However, the term Gaelic can be used to refer to all three Gaidhelic languages of Irish, Scottish Gaelic and Manx. Let's begin. Cú, cat, Gaeilge, Cailleach, Cúpa, span. Cú, cat, Gaeilge, Cailleach, Cúpa, span. So we're going to look at introducing objects and people. And we'll also look at the definite article, or just the article in Gaelic. There's no indefinite article, therefore there's only one article. The basic form of the article is un. You get a plus lenition if the noun is feminine and begins B, C, G, M or P. Is used before masculine nouns beginning B, F, M or P. So for example, in Gaeilge, in cat, Cailleach, that's feminine, and Borst, and Cú. Avel in Gaeilge mór, in Isha and Cúpa, Cú du and Cú du, cat ban, and cat ban. Let's have a look now at making sentences. Cú, a dog, and Cú, the dog. Seo cú, seo and Cú. Cat, and cat. Seo cat, seo and cat. Seo and cat. Cailleach, Cailleach. Seo Cailleach. Seo Cailleach. Gaeilge and Gaeilge. Seo Gaeilge. Seo and Gaeilge. Cúpa and Cúpa. Seo Cúpa. Seo and Cúpa. Span and span. Seo span. Seo and span. Forms of ha, which is used to describe or link a noun with an adjective. Avel, ha, chanil, je ha seo. Ha, cú. Avel and cú du. Ha. Avel and cú ban. Chanil. This is the template. Je ha seo. Ha cú. Avel and cú du. Ha. Avel and cú ban. Chanil. Je ha seo. Ha cat. Avel and cat ban. Ha. Avel and cat du. Chanil. Mór, big or tall, big, small, short. Je ha seo. Ha Cailleach. Avel a Cailleach big. Ha. Avel a Cailleach mór. Chanil. Je ha seo. Ha Gaeilge. Avel an Gaeilge big. Chanil. Avel an Gaeilge mór. ha. Jeha seo. Ha cúpa. Biln cúpa big. Ha. Biln cúpa mór. Chanil. Jeha seo. Ha span. Bil an span big. Ha. Bil an span mór. Chanil. Now the copula is. Forms of the copula is used to define what something or someone is, and it links two nouns or noun phrases. Nie, nie seo. To reply yes, you would say she, and no, chane. Nie seo cú. She. Nie seo cat. Chane. Nie seo cat. She. Nie seo cú. Chane. Nie seo Gaelach. She. Nie seo Gaeilge. Chane. Nie seo Gaelach. Chane. Nie seo Gaeilge. She. Nie seo Glanne. Chane. Nie seo cúpa. She. Nie seo fork. Chane. Nie seo span. She. Now it's your turn to ask and answer these questions randomly. So that's for you to look at with a partner. And we have a reading lesson. Ha and cú mór. Ha and cat big. Ha and cú mór ach ha and cat big. Han cú dú. Han cat ban. Han cú dú ach han cat ban. Ha Gaelach big ach han Gaeilge mór. Ha and cúpa mór. Ha and span mór. Seo and cú dú. Seo and cat ban. Seo and span. Seo and cúpa.